As you all know, Halloween's around the corner, so is Thanksgiving, so I zhuzhed it up with a little bit of fall accents along with some Halloween accents. All I did was use a little bit of imagination and also took advantage of those things outdoors. I went out into the yard, cut down a branch, drilled some holes in it, and add some silk branches to it just to create this arch over the window. It then falls into a flower pot, which I added some silk flowers to, just to give it some punch of fall colors. To add some fun, Halloween fun, I added this large figurine here in the corner, the smiling pumpkin, along with some pumpkins that I placed in the cloche, and also here off to the side with a crow on it. Just a little bit of whimsical fun. Over here, and I think everyone needs to have a Halloween tree. Very simple. Just taking a regular artificial tree, spray painting it black, and then adding Halloween ornaments to it. As you can see, I added the little gift boxes on there just for a little punch of color. And if you look above, there's these fun figurines of pumpkin people, just to keep along with the theme. Well, there's more to come, so check out kitchenmagic.com or go to Kitchen Magic YouTube channel and check out our future videos on how to decorate your space for the holidays.